I'm extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer near Stroud, Oklahoma, along I-44, monitoring a convective line right now. You can see very low cloud bases today with very tropical moisture out ahead of this front. Dew points near 70, a low-level jet of about 20 to 30 knots, which is a pretty strong low-level jet for this time of year given August moisture. So we do have these very low cloud bases, and with that pretty strong low-level shear for this time of year out ahead of this convective line. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some brief tornadoes along this convective line, or with some cells that develop out along ahead of it. But you can see some blue sky out here, so instability is certainly building. That's the only missing ingredient today that would prevent tornadoes from forming across far northeast Oklahoma into southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, and possibly far northwest Arkansas later on.